Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand.
Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Hi, welcome back. If you're new, hi, I'm ꨄ. Welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing. Would really appreciate it. So guys, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, this is gonna be a vacation prep, pack with me, all of that. So we're starting off this vacation prep with my hair because I need to like wash and comb it, so we're going to do that. And then I think the next thing on the list would be to pack. So the first thing is to do the hair. So as you can see, my hair is natural now, pretty much. You can see the roots, them natural. Yeah, so what I'll be putting in some Afro kinky twists. So I'm gonna wash my hair first. I'm gonna pull out this, wash it, and then get started on it. Alright guys, so the hair finished pull out. I'm going to wash my hair now, so let's do that. I'm done washing my hair. I totally forgot, guys, that I was supposed to be vlogging. I think I've done like, I'm on the 3rd row, something like that. Yeah, but if I must have my vlog, but then I watched Monk, so I was distracted. So guys, it's gonna be the packing time right now. It is currently 9:45 p.m. and it is Wednesday. So I did my hair today and I have my sister's hair tomorrow. I would have been able to like pack or something another day, but me not really want to chance it because mom do my sister hair tomorrow and then have some other prep stuff to do on my body. So like eyebrows, my nails, and shave and all of them something there. And then we have an event on Friday because originally we did not, but we have an event on Friday and we leave on Saturday. So I don't really want to chance it. We pack my bag. Pretty much I like to pack bags, so I've packed everybody else's bag. My bag alone I pack. So I want to pack my bag, so I'm gonna pack right now. So I got my stuff out. Anyways, my clothes are already in the bag. Like I've picked out stuff. I need to like pick out like the shoes to go with the things. And I want to pick out like shoes that can go with most of the outfits because I don't have to carry too much things. So we're gonna empty out the suitcase, see what we have, see what I'm going to need to add in. I have my underwear, my underclothes here. I have my like bathroom stuff, makeup, and all of that over there. Let's see how the packing goes right now. I'm tired already. So I folded everything. So I have my water shoes. I'm gonna actually find the shoes now. I took out some clothes for like if I wanted to go to the gym, but it's like an extra suit. I'm gonna have space for that. So these over there, I'm supposed to decide which one of them pants I'm gonna wear. Yeah, if you watch the previous vlog, or probably the two first previous vlog, I'm not sure, you would have seen two new pants in there. I'm trying to figure out if I wear one outside new pants or my old one. Yeah, so these are my swimsuits. I got my night clothes to come back, and over here I got like the morning stuff. Those are for like afternoon. I'm gonna have like extras, so yeah. Anyways, so I want to find like a shoe. I think I have a lot of brownish looking things, blackish. I think mostly it's gonna be my Crocs, honestly, but yeah. Other than the Crocs, I need to like look at the afternoon, because the Crocs is like for the morning. Yeah, so every morning I wear black Crocs, who cares? So I came up with these two stuff. I got these slippers. I can pretty much go with everything that I have here, but just to like dress it up a little, I carried my nude flat slip shoes. So I think that's it. And my Crocs, I'm gonna wear my Crocs too, so whatever may I wear, I forgot we already Crocs. I'm either deciding between the black Crocs or the white Crocs. I got everything in. Maybe look at the camp. Like, it should be able to close, but I don't know. I might take out some of these because I don't know if I'll be doing like makeup anyway, so I might just take out the lashes and so on and replace some in this. So yeah, bag is packed. Hey guys, so it is like the next day. It is Thursday. It is Thursday, so today for myself, I'm only gonna be doing like my eyebrows today. So this is what they look like. They bushy. So I got my mirror. I got my pack up my spool already. I'm gonna intend to take it out back, and my camera go back in the bag. It's in the makeup thing. I am gonna have to go back in there though, because like my lashes are in there, so I'm gonna have to take it out. But yes, I got this little brush comb thing, has the thing at the top, right? And then I have my razor. What do you call this? This is not the stick one, this is the blade. This is what I use. I got some cotton pads, and I have rubbing alcohol, and I have my mirror. Right, so that's what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be looking down right here. Good morning guys, we are back again, another day. It is Friday, so we are one day away from the trip. It's Friday, and I think the last thing that I have to do is my nails, and then tomorrow when we're leaving I'll just put on the lashes. Like, that's pretty much it. But yeah, then I'll just show you like the finished product of everything. These are my toes at the moment. They're orange. I think I did these from when I did my acrylics the last time, so I long time them on, and they're just ew. Started to use the black, so I'm gonna test it out first on one nail. I know I'm gonna look good in a black. I just love black, but anyways, so I'm going to be using the black, and then we'll see how that looks. So toes are done. Hey guys, so it is like probably about 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks after the actual trip. I forgot to like end this vlog, so I'm coming on to end the vlog. As you can see, even the hair different. I put in different hair yesterday. It's been a while. I'm just like getting now to edit the vlog, so this vlog is first, and then the vacation vlogs are coming after. I think probably about 1 or 2 vlogs will come after this for vacation vlog, and then after that the summer vlogs will be done. So stay tuned for those. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't realize, I didn't get to show you like the finished products and so on. So the finished products are here. Probably gonna see it like when I was packing and so on, but I did not literally like do a vlog of my hair. Sorry about that. And then you didn't see me do the nails. I didn't bother with it. I put it on the night. Honestly, I'm gonna take it off back, but just couldn't bother. I don't know, I wasn't feeling the vibes put on nails. I don't know why, I just didn't feel it. And then for the lashes, the morning I didn't have the time to put on the lashes in the morning, and then I did just never bother with the lashes, so that's why I didn't see the lashes and the nails, because I didn't do them anymore. I didn't bother to do them. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the vacation vlogs. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the vlogs to come. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.